Billie Shepherd and her sister-in-law Billie Faiers have both spoken publicly about their battles with Lyme disease, shedding light on the often misunderstood condition that has left them enduring months of exhaustion, pain, and uncertainty. Shepherd described how her life changed almost overnight, finding herself unable to carry out the simplest of daily tasks and often too weak to even get out of bed. She recalled moments when she broke down in tears as her husband Greg helped her crawl to the bathroom, her body racked with fatigue and discomfort. Doctors struggled to identify the cause for weeks, running multiple tests that brought no clear answers until eventually a diagnosis of Lyme disease was made, suggesting she had been living with the infection for up to 3 years before symptoms fully took hold. Initially, antibiotics offered no relief and instead worsened her condition, leaving her frustrated and fearful for the future, but eventually a holistic treatment plan recommended by her sister Sam began to ease her symptoms, offering a glimmer of hope after months of despair. For Faiers, the ordeal was alarmingly similar. She spoke of relentless fatigue, intense body pain, and episodes of brain fog that left her feeling almost detached from reality, making it impossible to carry on with normal life. At her lowest points, she was unable to walk unaided or even manage basic movements, often left in tears at her inability to care for herself or her children. Doctors admitted they had rarely seen such a complex presentation, but after extensive testing, Lyme disease was also confirmed in her case. Like Shepherd, Faiers found no improvement with antibiotics and instead turned to natural remedies under the guidance of a holistic doctor, slowly beginning to feel her strength return. Looking back, she believes the illness may have been triggered by extreme stress, particularly after a frightening incident earlier this year when her daughter Margot suffered a febrile seizure and had to be rushed to hospital. Faiers recalled how terrifying that moment was and how the fear and anxiety of nearly losing her child seemed to take a toll on her own health, weakening her body and allowing the dormant infection to take hold. The two women are now among a growing number of high-profile figures to speak openly about Lyme disease, joining the likes of Bella Hadid, Justin Bieber, and Ben Stiller in raising awareness about a condition that remains difficult to diagnose and is often misunderstood. Lyme disease is caused by a bacterium transmitted through tick bites, and while in its early stages it can present with flu-like symptoms or a distinctive rash, if left untreated it may lead to long-term complications including joint pain, neurological issues, and severe fatigue. Early antibiotic treatment is usually effective, but for many patients, including Shepherd and Faiers, the illness proves far more complex, requiring alternative approaches and long periods of trial and error before any progress is made. Their stories illustrate the immense physical and emotional strain that the disease can bring, not just to those living with it but to their families, and they underline the importance of greater awareness, earlier detection, and broader discussions about treatment options. As both women continue to recover and speak candidly about their experiences, they are offering not only visibility to an illness that too often remains hidden, but also encouragement to others navigating the same uncertain path.